Hey guys, just for some people who actually are confused as to how to get the 1.21 experimental features, this actually is a small tutorial on how to do that. It's kind of simple. So right now we actually are in the latest snapshot of Minecraft 1.20 whatever in this particular snapshot, and so we're gonna go straight over to single player, create new world. Um, in the latest snapshot so far, actually we got like the panorama scene instead of the boring dirt background, which I mean adds a bit of touch and detail involved here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here into like see these little tabs here. So you can either go to game and go to experiments, or you can click on more and go to experiments here as well. And we actually got ourselves three experimental features here. First of all, one of them is the bundles, which interesting enough, Mojang is. I wish Mojang should actually add the bundles because this is just sitting there doing nothing. The second one is the villager trade rebalance, which basically is like the rebalancing of the villager trades, uh, updating the trades of the villagers, and from that, and including like when you recure a zombie villager. It has been there since 1.20. Sorry, 1.20.1 or 2, I think. And update 1.21. These are like new features and content for Minecraft 1.21, which means you can get the trial chambers, the bogged, the crafter, the armadillo, and the wolf armor. All of them are in this one. So you're gonna go ahead and click on. So normally it's actually default as off, and when you're creating the world, you get the blocks which are of 1.21, but not the structures or the mobs. You can only get the actual blocks. So we're gonna go over here and switch this on, and once you do that, you click on done. It'll say validating selected data packs. 1.21 experimental features are also in the data packs thing. However, if you do here and click on done, it may give you out an error. So if you go to data packs and actually automatically switch on one of them, it'll be like an error that says that uh, that at some point in time the features might get broken if you reopen in the same world. So it's best to like try up in different worlds. As far as I know, I don't think there has been any problems so far in the previous worlds which I made using this feature on. So yeah, and once you do that, you can go ahead and do whatever setup for yourself. Just gonna set myself creative world, don't care, super flat, don't care, and go straight over here and just do that. And so when the world loads up, now obviously it's going to take some time depending on your network issues or how stable your network. And now 1.21 features also include the addition of the tick command. So that means you can actually freeze time, which means we can also do tick step 7, which means you can get the particular particles involved here. You can get the mobs around this area here. If we search up for tough variants, that means you can get the tough variants here, or go to functional blocks, scroll all the way down, we can grab ourselves the volt here. If you go down to natural, whoops, not natural, redstone, you can get yourself the copper bulbs and the crafter. You can get the spawn eggs, new spawn eggs here, the bogged, the armadillo, the breeze, and you can also get some of the new ingredients like heavy core, breeze rod, the trowel key, particularly with the new pottery shards. I probably need to make videos on those ones. New arbitrums over here as well. This trowel key. Combat, you can get yourself the mace, the wolf armor. Oh yeah, also the armadillo skis as well. And yeah, and including the wind charges. And oh yeah, also the trial spawners, obviously. And you can also get yourself a new structure which is called the trial chambers. Now, there's a little small interesting fact that, yeah, you can actually see right there. There's like a message that says that position not loaded. Sometimes, if you're doing this in some, I mean, first of all, it makes sure as default, but sometimes doesn't actually load it up properly, and it also shows it's actually the same thing for other structures. For example, if I try doing ancient city, if you're in 1.19 and if you do this, it will automatically load it up. However, if you do this in the probably snapshot, it's not going to work that way. So yeah, that's another thing you can actually get from those. Apart from that, we can also grab ourselves the new copper variants, like the chiseled one, the grate, the doors, and I guess that's somehow it. I even need to fix my skin problems for some reason. That's not my skin. That's a snapshot skin. My Minecraft skin doesn't seem to load up in this snapshot. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, that'll actually be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in this video. See ya. And hopefully you found this helpful.